As manufacturing jobs return, our shores brim with economic promise, yet face a challenge, a notable skills gap in the workforce. This gap signals a call to action, heightened by onshoring trends that bring jobs home but meet a deficit of qualified candidates. The revival of domestic manufacturing is stalled by this lack of skill, illustrating a paradox where opportunities abound, but the necessary skills are in short supply. As we delve into this narrative, let's focus on the potential solutions at our disposal, promising not only to bridge this gap, but to usher in a new era of skilled workers equipped to meet the demands of modern manufacturing. In our quest for a solution, training centers emerge as beacons of hope, guiding seekers towards a future brimming with opportunities. These institutions, with their dynamic approach to vocational education, serve as crucial bridges connecting the current workforce to the burgeoning demands of the manufacturing sector. By offering curriculum that melds theory with practical application, these centers prepare individuals for not just the present, but the future of work. From technical skills like welding and programming to soft skills in project management, learners evolve into versatile professionals poised to navigate the complexities of onshoring, thereby bolstering the workforce, stimulating local economies, and driving innovation. The narrative concludes with a profound reflection on the impact of investing in training centers. These institutions not only mitigate the skill gap, but serve as linchpins for economic and individual growth. They encapsulate stories of transformation, how education propels novices towards mastery, fortifying our economy through a skilled citizenry. Investing in these centers transcends mere financial gain. It's a commitment to crafting a resilient future for our economy, a strategic move towards a thriving, skilled future.